Okay, hello guys. My name is Mr. Scope, and we're playing on the Penguin Minigames server. So the IP is penguin.com, and the port is 7777. So basically, just 4 sevens. And why is everything glitching to red? I am triggered. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Why? Okay, I'm gonna play some Class Wars. Wait, this Tank Wars. I want to join Tank Wars. Yeah, so this is a minigame server, if you didn't know, owned by a YouTuber called Penguin. And basically, he does Terraria videos, and he made a server with a person called, I forgot who it was called. But yeah. Him and other people have made the server. Who? Somebody touch on my spaghetti. I was just watching memes. Like before this video, I was just watching memes. Typical memes. That's basically what I do. I'm not recording, I just look at memes. Okay, well, okay. At least I'm not triggered. Old ones are. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Okay, well, they're doing that. There's only one person who will win. The blue team or the red team. This is blue team on the right side. This is red team on the left side. Witches. Oh god. Ooh. Somebody touch on my spaghetti. Okay, so while they're doing that stuff, how about we watch some pictures of cats? Hold on. You know, it's just cute cats. Cute cats. Oh, cute cats! Oh my gosh, so many cute cats! Oh, look at that cat. Look at that kitty. How about we just do this? Oh, such a cute cat. Oh my god, cute cats! Okay, they're not done yet. Who's gonna win? Red and Rick, or Tokus 88 and Dimitri 123. Yeah, so if you don't know what Tank Wars is, it's basically kind of like Shell Shock Live, which is a game where you have to shoot people with shield or cheat. What? Who's cheating? That guy's a noob. Tokos is a noob. This guy's actually trying, but not really that much. I would actually hide where he is right now. Okay, so while they're doing, okay, he is dead, pretty much. But if Tokos misses, then he's a noob. Okay. Wait, hold on. Okay, Renedrick. Oh, so he's red and they're blue. Okay, left side is blue, right side is red. So, red. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying the names now. There's a lot of stuff. You know the worst thing though? When you don't get ammo. Are you kidding me? This guy is a total noob. Did you see what he just did? What? Did that guy just hack? What? Okay, I guess he's a pro. And he won. Red team won. Okay, oh, this guy's a midnight fisherman. You have a midnight fish. Yeah, I just want some fish. Thank you. Okay, there we go. I'm on blue. Okay, apparently this is the background music, so no copyright, please. I'm staying here. Okay. Oh, okay, it's red team to attack. They'll probably go after me. Oh, they didn't. Oh, they did hit me. I only did like 20 damage. Yeah. Now everyone's going for Gordy something. I got the elf melter. What is my ammo? Gel. Okay, I'm gonna go kill some. I'm gonna kill him. Yay! Okay, nope. That is not good. That is not okay. I am dead. I am done. Everyone's missing. What the hell? Those guys are new. Okay, this guy has a good. Rip. Okay, man. Okay, I got Suna. What ammo did I? Okay, shoots 5 arrows. Okay, I'm gonna run. Kill the 158th bird. Oh, yep, that was an OP weapon and he just wasted it. Typical people. Okay, so I have a pulse bow. What does this weapon do? Okay. I think I just wasted a shot. Where's all of our teammates? I only have 166. Yup, baby. Okay, I'm dead. I am dead. Not big surprise. Not a big surprise. If you have good parkour skills, then you could be the hacker. Oh. Did they hit just none of us? Did they literally hit none of us? Okay, they hit me at least one time. At least. Oh, I have a golden shower. Okay. Oh, I could have showered one more time. That sounded weird. Showered one more time. Just like checking. Did I? Why is everyone missing me? No one else shot. Are you? Oh, come on. Got a broken rocket launcher and also birds. I almost have. Are you freaking serious? Wait, at least I got sand. I got sand. They broke my thingy. Now everyone's gonna go for me. And I lost my sand. Oh, it's a grenade. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna go here. This is a safe spot. You have to get a bouncing weapon in order to hit me. Oh, good thing I wasn't in that hole again. And everyone's missing me. What? Oh, is it this one again? Kill them! Yes! Yes! Yay! Okay, right. Oh! We have 4 lives, they have 2 lives. Oh, okay, you can move now. Okay, they're not gonna hit me. Why? Why at the worst time? Now they're gonna kill me. Why? Okay, no, get away. Where's my stuff? Where's my stuff? Hold on, where's my stuff? I don't get it. Oh, God. Why? I got a B-name. Good. Boom! Big shot. Monster hot. 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 I still forgot I'm recording. Okay. Well, how long is okay? Of course, everyone knows my recording software now. Why would you not? Okay, you sinking. I gotta run. Slash? No, you know. We would have killed you. Slash lobby. I don't give a shit. You are hackers. You are hackers. I don't give a shit. See, now I'm cussing, so I don't know. Okay, let me just... I'ma do... Wait, where's Class Wars? Class Wars. I'm gonna do Class Wars. Okay, so I don't know where he is. Care strike. Slash Class Wars. Slash Class Wars. Class Wars. Slash help. What the hell? Slash help. Help. Slash help. Slash help. 2. And then I just did all of that. Slash. Okay, I'm gonna do slash build my thing. BLT. Slash build my BLT. Slash BLT. Okay. How do you play? Slash guess. Slime ray. Slash. I did! Oh my god. How do you even do this? I guessed that. I guessed that. Hold on. How do you play this? Okay, so slash Topaz slash sun slash I already guessed sun. Oh, harp. I had it, but dude. Okay, so. I didn't type it fast enough. I didn't type it fast enough. Slash jump. Okay, this is gonna be a long video. Okay, it's still recording, that's good, because sometimes it crashes. Bullet? torch. Slash guess. I was actually gonna guess like, I forgot what I was gonna guess, but anyways, that's it for this video. I'll see you later.